Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from our weekly spot. We are back at CVS for a round 2 haul. So if you watch my video on Sunday, then you know that this is a fire week at CVS. There are so many good deals going on. I was super excited about this week, and I'm still excited about this week, which is why I am back to do a round 2 haul. So if you haven't already watched Sunday's video, definitely make sure that you watch that, because that video is full of deals, different deals than the ones I am going to be covering in today's video. So one of the first things that brought me back to CVS for some more deals is that we have a brand new high value Dove printable coupon. So when I saw this coupon, I saw it on Instagram on the beautiful Coupon Wins with Lynn's page. She had posted a $5 off of 2 printable Dove coupon. I was like, hold your horses, what is this? So that made me instantly go to the Dove email list and sign up to see what types of coupons were being sent out. So when I went to the Dove email list, and if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, what the Dove email list is, how to sign up for coupons, look in the description box of this video, because I have a blog post that gives you easy instructions on how to sign up for Dove coupons. But I went and I signed up with the new email address to see what was going to be sent out, and lo and behold, I got a $4 off of 2 printable Dove coupon for any 2 Dove products. Now you might be lucky like Lynn's and get a 5 off of 2, but I got a 4 off of 2, which I am super excited about because it's still going to make a really good deal for us today and so many different things. But definitely sign up with an email address on the Dove email list and see what type of printable coupon that you get, because this is going to make some really nice Dove deals. So the first thing I wanted to grab was some Dove deodorant. So these are $5.59, buy one get one 50% off. So let me show you my breakdown on 2 of these babies. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these Dove deodorants since they're buy 2 get back $2 in extra bucks this week, and that's gonna total us up to $8.38. On my account, I have a 2 off of 7 Dove deodorant CRT that I'm going to be using, and we are going to use this 4 off of 2 printable coupon. So that's going to leave us to pay just $2.38 at the register, then get back a $2 extra buck, making these Dove deodorants just 19 cents a piece. And if you're lucky enough to get that $5 coupon, this will be a moneymaker for you. The next deal I did was the CoverGirl again, and we already did this deal on Sunday, but I was able to do it a little bit differently today because this store does have the $6.59 pencils in stock. So I picked up 3 of these $6.59 CoverGirl eye pencils because they are buy 3 get back a $10 extra buck. I had a 3 off of 16 cosmetic CRT, a $3 CoverGirl CRT that is printing at the red box, and I also used 3 of the $2 coupons. That leaves you to pay $7.77, but then you're gonna get back $10 in extra bucks, making 3 of those pencils not only free, but a $2.23 moneymaker. So I just went up and did a super easy little moneymaker transaction that is so beginner friendly. I picked up 3 of the CoverGirl and 2 of the Dove deodorant. Let me show you how that transaction worked out. So here is everything that we got. We got the 2 Dove deodorant and we got the 3 CoverGirl. So I used 3 coupons, 3 $2 coupons for the CoverGirl, the 3 off of 16 cosmetics, the $3 off CoverGirl CRT, and then the 2 off of 7 for the Dove deodorant. I rolled a $10 extra buck, and that left me to pay just 15 cents, and then I got back $12 in extra bucks. So we paid out $10.15, got back 12. That transaction was $1.85 moneymaker. So now I'm about to do some more deals, and I'm about to shop on a brand new beginner card. So on this card, I had no extra bucks coming in the door. So this is perfect example of what to do if you are a beginner with no extra bucks. So because I want to use all of my CVS cards this week, because this week is just that doggone good, I wanted to get this card started with some extra bucks. So I did the CoverGirl deal once again on this card. I picked up 3 of those pencils. I used a total of 3 $2 coupons, a 3 off of 6 cosmetic CRT, and that CoverGirl CRT that is printing at the red box. That left me to pay $7.77, and then I placed that on a Flues gift card so that I could earn back an additional $3.95. And then I got back a total of $12 in extra bucks. 10 for the CoverGirl and 2 because CVS is being nice because this card is new. So that transaction was a super money maker to get us started on this brand new card. So the next deal I want to do, these products are already sitting next to each other, which is very convenient because we're going to do this spend 15, get 7 on select Colgate products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these 16-ounce Optic White Whitening Advanced Mouth Rinse, and then I'm also gonna get one of these Colgate Renewal. So this is $9.29, this one is $5.99, so both of them are gonna total me up to $15.28. So this deal is going to be all digital with no paper coupons. We are going to be using the $2 digital coupon for the renewal. We're going to use the $1 digital coupon for the mouth rinse. I have a 2 off of 5 oral care CRT and a 3 off of 10 Colgate CRT on this card. So after all of those coupons, I'm going to end up paying $7.28 at the register, but then I'm going to get back a $7 extra buck, making it just 28 cents for these 2 items, or 14 cents a piece. And this is my favorite toothpaste, so I am definitely okay with that. Next deal up, I'm going to test another Dove deal. So this one is going to be a possible double dip. These are on sale 2 for $12, and then when you buy 2, you are going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So we have that $4 off of 2 coupon that we are going to be using, and we also going to be using the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And I also have a $2 CRT. So let me show you how it all works out. So these 2 are going to be 2 for $12. We got our $4 digital, we have our $4 paper coupon that should double dip, and we got a $2 CRT. So that is going to leave us at $10 in savings to pay just $2 at the register. But then we should get back $2 in extra bucks for this deal, making these 2 babies completely free. Next deal up, we're going to do this double dip $2 moneymaker on the L5 again. So we already reviewed this deal on Sunday. These are 2 for $8, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. We have a $4 coupon and a $4 matching digital. When both of those come off, we pay 0 and then get back $2, making these a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have these insert coupons, I will also have printable versions of this coupon linked for you down below. Now we're going to grab some moneymaker Garnier facial care. So these are buy one, get one 50% off this week. And then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. We're going to grab 2 of these Skin Active wipes right here. They're $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. One should ring $6.99, the next one which should be $3.49, making 2 of them cost $10.48. So I have a 3 off of 9 facial care CRT, and then we're going to use 2 of these $2 off manufacturer coupons. That's going to leave us to pay $3.48 at the register, but then we're going to get back $5, making these 2 babies not only free, but $1.52 moneymaker. One deal I wanted to do, but I wasn't able to because my store doesn't have this item out, is the CeraVe Healing Ointment. So these are $9.99. I had a 3 off of 10 hand and body lotion CRT and a $4 CRT, and we also have a $3 manufacturer coupon. With all 3 of those coupons, you can grab this item for free. Now, because you're going to have more in coupon value, it's going to be a penny over what this product cost. One of your CRTs will have to be reduced down, so the cashier will have to hit the apply button. But after they do that, this will be free 99. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up and do my next transaction. In this transaction, I'm going to do the Colgate, I'm going to do the L5, I'm going to do the Dove, and I'm going to do the Garnier. I am going to be using the $12 in extra bucks that I just got from the CoverGirl, and I'm going to be using these 4 paper coupons right here. So let's go up and check out and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, that transaction was flawless. Oh my goodness, let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is the Elvive, there is the Dove that did double dip, there's the Garnier, and then there is our 2 Colgate items. So here's the 4 paper coupons that we used, no issues there. The Tresemme Dove Digital did double dip with that Dove, so that made that shampoo completely free. Then we had our 2 Colgate Digitals and our L'Oreal did double dip. There's all of the CRTs that we use, and I also used that $12 in extra bucks. That left me to pay 53 cents at the register, place that on a Flues gift card, and then I got back a total of, that's 4, 7, I got back $16 in extra bucks. We got back 2 for the Dove, we got back 2 for the Elvive, we got back 7 for the Colgate, and then I also got back 5 for the Garnier. So we paid out $12.53 and I got back a total of $16. That transaction was free plus a $3.47 moneymaker. So a prime example of how you can start out with no extra bucks, and now I have $16 in extra bucks on that card with very little out of pocket. All right, now we're gonna do a couple different variations of this tier deal that has been so good, and it is gonna continue to be so good today. So the first way that we're gonna do this deal, we're gonna get stocked up on some hair care again. So I'm gonna do this deal a little bit differently than Sunday, but I'm gonna start out by grabbing 2 of the Head and Shoulders. These are 2 for $12. I have a 4 off of 25 shampoo CRT. We got a 3 off of 2 digital and a 3 off of 2 paper coupon. Now I'm going to grab 2 of these Pantene products. So I'm going to grab 2 of the higher end products. We're not going to be grabbing these down here. So these are buy one, get one 40% off. So one should ring out for like $8.69, and then the other one should ring out for like $5, like $5 and some change, which will be enough for it to double dip with our 5 off of 2 coupon. So we're going to have the 5 off of 2 digital and this 5 off of 2 paper coupon. Then to complete my deal, I'm gonna grab 3 of the Old Spice deodorant again. So these are $7.59, buy one, get one 50% off. I have a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT. We have a $5 off of 3 digital, and we have this 5 off of 3 paper coupon. All right, you guys, so this is my complete spin 45 get 15 deal. So we're going for the big one, and remember with these deals, since it is tiered, it's not going to track. You need to do this all at once. So I have the 3 Old Spice deodorant, we got the $5 digital and the $5 paper, and a 3 off of 15 CRT. We have the Head and Shoulders $3 digital, $3 paper, and we are also going to be using a 4 off of 25 shampoo and conditioner CRT. And then we have our Pantene $5 off of 2, $5 off of 2. After all of those coupon savings, I should pay $11.87 at the register. Then I am going to get back $15 in extra bucks, making all of these items not only free, but a $3 moneymaker. Now I'm hoping I don't get played, because I do have a 2 off of 9 Head and Shoulders CRT that could come off instead of my 4 off of 25. But fingers crossed that the 4 off of 25 comes off instead. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this transaction was so beautiful, but I messed it up with one mistake. Let me show you my little mistake that just cost me almost $5. So here's everything that we just got. There's the Head and Shoulders, there's the Pantene, there's the Old Spice. So here's where I made a mistake. So my subtotal for this transaction was $44.87. With these tier deals, not only do they not track, so you have to do it all at once, the 98% rule does not apply, and I completely forgot about that. So I calculated that $44.87 and did not think to myself, girl, you got to pick up one more expensive deodorant. So instead of getting all 3 $7.59 deodorants, I should have gotten one of the $8.29 deodorants and then 2 of the $7.59 deodorants. You guys, that would have pushed me over the $45 mark. So I was short by 13 cents, and then everything came off like it was supposed to. We got the triple dip. So we got the double dip on the Head and Shoulders, the double dip on the Old Spice, and the double dip on the Pantene. I used $11.87 and extra bucks, had a 0 subtotal, but I only got back $10 in extra bucks instead of the 15, because of that mistake. So instead of this transaction being a moneymaker, it actually cost me $1.87, which is not a big deal, $1.87, but it should have been free 99. And when mistakes like that happen, you can ask your store to help you by printing the additional $5. I'm not going to worry about it because I already got an additional $13 off with all of those double dips, so I'm just going to keep it moving. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to do another spend 45 deal right now, and this time I'm going to do my math a little bit better to make sure we get back our 15. To complete this deal, I'm going to grab 2 of these Generation Beauty products, and this store actually has them on the shampoo shelf. So we're going to get 2 of these for $19.98. I'm going to be using that $5 digital and that $5 paper coupon again. Now I'm going to grab 4 packs of the 6-count Dove bar soap. We're going to use these $4 off of 2 coupons again. These are $8.99, buy one, get one 50% off. And I'm also going to be using a 4 off of 25 CRT. All right, you guys, so this is our last spend 45 deal. This one totals up to $46.95. So we are over that $45 mark in order to get back our 15. So for the Dove soap, we are going to be using the 4 off of 25 body wash CRT, and we're going to be using 2 of our $4 off of 2 coupons. For the Generation Beauty, I have a $5 off of 2 digital loaded. That should double dip with our $5 off of 2 Pantene coupon. And I also have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. Now, I often get a lot of questions about like what's the order for double dips. Remember with the double dip, if you are at self-checkout, then you want to scan all of your items, then scan your paper coupons before you enter in your phone number. And after your paper coupons are scanned, go back in and then enter your phone number so that all of your digitals can double dip. If you are at a cashier, you can just scan your card at the beginning, but they need to scan your paper coupons before they apply the digitals. So after all of our coupons with this deal, our total is going to be $20.95. Then I'm going to get back $15 in extra bucks, making this transaction a total cost of $5.95, or making each item just 99 cents. And when you're talking about 6 packs of Dove soap, 99 cents is a steal. So let's go up and do this final deal and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so this second transaction worked out perfectly because I counted right this time. So let me show you a close-up of my receipt for this last deal with all of our Dove soap. So there is the 4 packs of Dove, the 2 Pantene products. We used the $5 coupon for the Pantene, the 2 $4 coupons for the Dove, and then we had the double dip on the Pantene, the 4 off of 18 and the 4 off of 25. So after I used a total of $20 in extra bucks, my subtotal was 82 cents. So we had an 82-cent subtotal. We spent out $20.82, and then I did get back the $15 this time. So we got back 15 in this deal, making that transaction be a cost of $5.82. So this has been a beautiful round 2 haul, you guys. In my first 3 transactions, we made over $9. In these final 2 transactions, even with my mistake, we only spent a total of $7.69. So we have still made almost $2 from today's haul. I think we've made $1.86 to be exact. So this has been a beautiful round 2, and would have been even more without the mistake. But this is why I don't sweat the small stuff, because it all works out in the end. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon.